Hello guys, welcome to DTW Tutorials. Today I'm going to be giving a tip on how to make for you to save your data on watching YouTube videos. Now Google just introduced a particular app called the YouTube Go for down. It's live now for your initial download. So all you need to do is to go to your Google Play Store. Okay, click on it and you type in your YouTube. Is already on my search, and that's click on YouTube Go app. You can see the logo here. So all you need to do is to install it and download. It's already installed on my phone, so I don't need to install again. So here, let's open it up to see how it looks like. So it looks like this. It streams the video you frequently watch. It shows you your downloads. Okay, so let's say we search for, let me show you why it saves data. So we search for DTW Tutorials. Okay, and let me show you this video. Okay, let me click on this. You see this 8 minutes video and show you how little it is, the size of the data you use. Now you can see your basic quality is just 4 MB and standard quality at 23. So I know for students you don't need to go to the standard quality, just play on your basic quality, and the basic quality is clear. I tell you, clear, and the sound is okay, so you can watch on 4 MB on YouTube. Isn't that amazing? A lifesaver. So I just want to thank Google Nigeria for doing this, bringing this to Nigeria, and also I think it's in India also working well. So let's say I want to play. You can see this 25 minutes video. That's a Unilag Post UME that I just uploaded. So click on it. You can see 14 MB for basic quality. Wow. So you can finish watching that 25 minutes video. You don't need to be scared. You can watch it. My students, you can watch it. My viewers, you can watch that 25 minutes video to the end for your benefits. Okay, so the only limit I see with this particular app is that you can't subscribe from this app. So to subscribe, you need to go back to the main YouTube app. Okay, and let's say we search for DTW Tutorials again. You can see we have over 81 videos for you, for your understanding of maths, covering WAEC and JAM syllabus. So okay, so you can see this. So to subscribe, all you need to do is click this subscribe button and wait for a bell to come. Click on the notification bell. What this notification bell does is to notify you immediately I upload a video, so you'll be the first to get that particular video tutorial. So you can see several videos which we've uploaded on the UI Post UME, OAU, Unilag Post UME, past questions, JAM past question, WAEC past questions, and so forth. 81 videos for you to watch for better understanding of maths if you're having difficulty in maths. So once again, I want to thank Google for bringing this app to Nigeria, and also I want to thank you, my subscribers and viewers, for staying tuned to Destined to Win tutorial. Please like, share, and so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You are destined to win. Bye.